let's continue with the Pythagorean identities. So in our Pythagorean identities, again, what we would be using would be the equation of the unit circle: x squared plus y squared equals 1. But then again, we could also rewrite this, right? We could modify this to y squared plus x squared equals 1. Parehas lang ba sila? Kung sa tingin mong parehas lang sila, papusuan. Kung sa tingin mong, mami, hindi, magkaiba yan, pa-party sign. Pati, alright, alright. Okay, so let's have a quick review. Party. Let's have a quick review. What is 2 plus 3? Back to basics. Back to the basics. 2 plus 3. Anyone? Children, what is 2 plus 3?
5, ma'am.
Very good. It's 5. How about 3 plus 2, children?
5 po.
5. Wonderful. Nagpalit tayo ng pwesto ng addends. Nagpalit ba yung sagot?
No, ma'am.
So what do you
Hindi
think
po, ma'am.
here? Hindi siya nagpalit. Tama. Ngayon, palitan natin yung mga numbers. Gawin natin letters. Pinagpalit natin yung lugar. Sa tingin nyo, magkaiba ba sila? Ulitin natin ang botohan. Puso o party? Kung puso, pareho lang pala. Kung party ay magkaiba. So what do you think? At kung hindi mo pa rin alam, sige pa wow. Naka Lawrence, mapapalo ka na. Alright. Very good. These are just the same. When it comes to addition, even if you change the position of the addends, as long as you don't transpose, then they're just the same. This is called the commutative property of addition you learned back in grade 1. O diba? Besh, pag grade 1 lang yung lesson natin, nil-level up lang natin ng konti-konti. So given that, let's now use this formula. Y squared plus x squared equals 1. Ma'am, bakit? Yung gumawa ng PowerPoint kasi ito yung ginamit niya. Ewan ko sa teacher na yun. But they're just the same. So, if this is our representation now, what is the function associated with y? Ano nga kasi? Let's ask Anferly.
Ma'am, ano po yung question ulit?
What is the function associated with the y coordinate? Pag y? Huwag mo na i-search. Diyos ko, kanina pa natin
Ma'am, yun ba yung
pinag-aaralan yan.
cosine tapos second? Yun ba yun, ma'am?
Ang tinatanong ko kapag y, ano yan? Sine ba yan? Cosine ba yan? Tangent ba yan? Huwag mo na i-search. Di mo makita yun.
Sine po.
Oo, sine. Tama. Pati mga nagchat-chat. Very good. Tagal-tagal. Maririnig ko pa yung click ng mouse. Sine. Yung y, sine. Okay, yung x niyan. Unfairly, less na lang. O yung x. Anong function ang associated sa kanya?
Cosine po.
Wonderful. So, the first Pythagorean identity from this equation, thank you so much, from this equation now is sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta. Okay. Very good. Sa mga nagchat, wonderful. These are correct. Next. This is now what we call the mother formula. Say we divide all terms by sine. Let's say we divide all terms by sine squared theta. Sine squared theta. So if we will divide this now, sine squared over sine squared will be cancelled out and we have 1. Ma'am, 1, shouldn't it be 0? Oh, let's have a quick review again. What is 5 over 5? Anyone?
1, ma'am.
1. Very good. Diba we canceled out 5 here and we're left with 1. 1. There we go. Okay? So it's not 0, huh? Always go back to your basic lessons. When you're already confused, go back to the basic. Now we have cosine over sine. Oh, we studied this a while ago, right? What's cosine over sine? Ta-da! Cosine over sine is just equal to cotangent. So instead of writing cosine squared over sine squared, we now write cotangent squared. There we go. And then lastly, we have 1 over sine. 1 over sine. I wonder what function is associated with 1 over sine. This is part of your reciprocal identities a while ago. 1 over sine. Let's ask Basti. Ano kasi?
Cosecant po, ma'am.
Wonderful. We have cosecant. Correct. And since this is squared, we now have a squared value as well here. And this is one of the formula that we have under Pythagorean identities, derived by dividing all terms by sine squared. Last one, the last set or the last identity now. Let's divide all terms by cosine squared. Cosine squared theta, cosine squared theta, cosine squared theta. All right. So if I have sine over cosine, what function is associated with sine over cosine? Look at it here. Sine over cosine is tangent. Therefore, our first term will now be tangent squared. Ma'am, bakit squared? Squared kasi yung given mong sine over cosine. Therefore, squared din yung ilagay mong tangent. Para quits-quits sila. Next, we have cosine over cosine. Divide this and you'll get 1. Last, 1 over cosine. This came from your reciprocal identities a while ago. And what do you think is the function associated with 1 over cosine? Let's ask Brainiel. 1 over cosine.
Second po.
Wonderful, correct. This is now second. So since the